Hey, welcome to the second IKEA store in India here in Navi Mumbai, a place where we work hard to achieve our vision of creating a better everyday life for the many people. Founded in Sweden by Ingvar Kamprad at the age of 17, IKEA has stood the test of time and over 75 years has become one of the most loved and trusted brands around the world. It's the world's leading home furnishing retailer, present in 50 countries with over 200,000 co-workers. With close to 400 stores in many countries, here is the newest edition, IKEA Navi Mumbai. 5.3 lakh square feet wide, almost as big as 10 football fields put together. We are proud of our unique and inspiring product range and shopping experience. But today, we are also ensuring a safe space for our customers and co-workers, building on our global best practices. We ensure limited store walk-ins, mandatory temperature and mask checks, contactless sanitizers at various parts of the store, and social distancing practices. Our home furnishing solutions draw inspiration from insights, research, and knowledge of the daily life of people in Mumbai. We have more than 7,000 well-designed, affordable, good quality and sustainable products for all areas of the home. These include furniture and home furnishing accessories. Room sets and 6 homes, showcasing smart and flexible living, making the most out of every space, whatever your budget. Want a complete room set in 60,000 rupees? Get inspired. At IKEA, we sell products that we love. We aim to meet our customer needs and exceed their expectations. Food is an integral part of the IKEA shopping experience. Many customers come to IKEA for its mouth-watering food. And a bistro at checkout. Not to mention a big, playful space for children, Smolland. We are passionate about our strong commitment to sustainability, and our store was planned with this in mind. Over 3,000 solar panels on the roof to generate 1 megawatt of solar energy on site. Sewage treatment plant to reuse water in the bathrooms. 750 kg capacity organic waste converter. Rainwater harvesting. Water sense labeled fixtures to reduce indoor water usage. And only selling 100% LED fixtures. When it comes to change, we lead by example. Working at IKEA is all about equality, diversity and inclusion. We empower a workforce that includes 50% women at all levels and showcases women in diverse roles. So come, visit us and experience home furnishing like never before.